Hello my crypto friends, this is your boy Devi and I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel again. So guys, this is another crypto video about a project called King's Life, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the King's Life token onto the Trust Wallet. So as you can see, I've already logged into my Trust Wallet, and the next thing is to add the King's token. So on the upper right hand corner there are those three dashes. You click on them and then you'll see a plus sign still on the upper right hand corner. You click on that plus sign, it will bring that, and the next step here is to change the network from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain, because we know that the King's Life token works on the Binance Smart Chain network. So we do that first. We click on the network and then we choose Binance Smart Chain. Then another thing to do here is to put the contract address. You go and copy the contract address. So guys, I'm going to leave the contract address in the description of this video so that you can use it as well. You get it and you paste it here, and then the name, the symbol and the decimals will auto generate by themselves. As you can see, the name, it brings the King's Life, the symbol is king, and the decimal is 18. So you click on save and the King's token will be added automatically to your Trust Wallet. So if we are to go back, here, you'll be able to find the King's token at the bottom here. Let's see, or if you can't see it, you can just search it here. You just have to press king to type in king. Just type in king, and us guys, I've seen it somewhere here. Hold on. Let us go back. I've seen it somewhere here. It is at the bottom here. So as you can see, it is at the bottom and it is on the Binance Smart Chain network. So that's how we add King token to a Trust Wallet. So guys, remember you can get up to 2,500 free King tokens for free in case you sign up on their website. So the link to the website is in the description of the video. You can click on that and get your 2,500 free tokens worth $10 at the moment. So guys, that's how we add the King token onto the Trust Wallet. I'll see you in the next update video.